Saturday morning, and we are out here at the Nomfihlela Let's Play Center of Excellence. And as you can see behind me, it is a hive of activity from different stations of physical education. Today is a culmination of the 5-day teacher workshop, which we are doing in collaboration with the Premier League and the British Council, called Premier Skills.
Okay, my name is Graham Robinson. I'm one of the international consultants for the Premier League. We are here this week delivering to 49 physical education teachers. We have been working around multi-sports, fundamental movements and agility, balance, coordination and speed. The teachers have done some classroom activities as well as pitch-side activities, and today we are watching them deliver a festival to over 100 children. The facility is sponsored by SuperSport and SuperSport Schools, as well as Let's Play. So it's a great facility to be used in the community. We haven't delivered out of the school during the week, but we've come here for our festival, and the teachers are now utilizing the facility in the aim that they can then go back to their own communities and deliver similar festivals themselves with close school teachers.
Igama lami nguNtandokazi wakamnyando, ngifunda eNsimango Primary School. Ngizizwa ngijabulile kakhulu ukuthola ithuba elifana nalelo ukuze udlala nabanye abantwana nje ngijabulile. Ngifunda ukuthi okhala, ngafunda ukuthi ukudlala ama-sports kubalulekile kuwo wonke umuntu, ungakuthathi kancane. Uhambisa igazi, ungalokhu uma ufika ekhaya fanele ufike udlale ukuze igazi lakho lihambe.
It is very important for educators of Inchanga Second to receive such training because most of the time as educators we lack these skills. We tend to focus on the academic side, not that we don't like sports, but we are lacking the skills. So for educators of Inchanga Second to receive such a training is very, very huge. We are very happy, and we hope that learners will benefit a lot, because as educators have been trained, they are going back to their schools that just to implement what they have been receiving there. So when they are there at school, then they will be able to impart what they have learned to learners. Learners will benefit, not just only learners, but the communities where they are serving will also benefit.
So as you can see, the hive of activity behind me, kids getting to learn, kids are getting to actually put into practice some of the elements that the teachers have gone throughout the week. So the 5-day training is a combination of both in-class and practical experience and learning for them.
It's good when you see the crumbs of the pie coming together, especially on a far rural school like this. Because we go to other rural areas and they're not that far in deep rural areas. They're just rural areas that we normally see. But here it's a different scenario, different circumstances. But when you see the pie, the pieces of the pie coming together easily than we had anticipated, then it becomes a perfect mix. So I think we had one of the best courses that we have done. The participants were too good compared to others and other provinces, even though there are others on the other provinces that were as good. But here it was totally unexpected. When we were having our meetings as coach educators and Graham, we were like worried about the response on the first day. But when we came, they just pick it up, and you saw the results. Perfect results.
We are here, we are learning. We are learning how to deal with physical education, as we are the physical education teachers in our schools.
We have learned a lot. We have learned very, very much. So many things that we did not know, that we did not implement in our schools.
So our aim is to have these centers being a hive of activity every Saturday morning, where kids from in and around the community and the different villages where you find them are busy engaging in physical activity, engaging in structured sporting programs.
Sanibonani babukela emakhaya, igama langu Siyamthanda Mtolo, sisenofihlela primary school sizodlala. Sijabulile kakhulu nothisha bayasifundisa ngezinto ezimayelana nama-sports, nokuthi ama-sports asisiza ngani, nokuthi sihlezi healthy uma sidlala i-sports.
The main thing about this program is we want to try and create self-sustainability, and by working with physical education teachers, we know that they have lots of children that they work with, so we're trying to teach them that they don't necessarily have to have loads of equipment. We're trying to show them that they don't have to have the best field, because during the week we have actually delivered in real rural communities and utilized their pitches to showcase that equipment isn't the key, it's about being creative with what you have.
We would like to thank MultiChoice for this, because it has helped us a lot as teachers, and we would like to ask MultiChoice to carry on and do this, especially on the area which is down the valley, all those kids which are vulnerable. Please, MultiChoice,